G'day and welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. My name is Sean and today's video is an unboxing. A couple of weeks ago I won the Cotton Cuts Fan of the Week prize where they randomly draw a fan from their Facebook group and my prize showed up and I wanted to share it with you all. So let's see what is inside my prize box. Ooh, fabric. I love fabric. Let's take a closer look. It looks like I got a total of 10 fat quarters. I'll just show each one real quick to you and they are so pretty. This one has a bunch of different words like creativity and so forth. So that one is really, really nice. This one here is a floral. And this one, oh, we'll flip them over so you can see it better that way. And then this one's like a kitchen thing. It has like beets, carrots, honey. Let's take a look. Oh, it's got all sorts of cool stuff on here. I really like that one. And then we have another floral one, which is similar to the one I showed you a couple of fat quarters ago. I love this one. I mean, you shouldn't be surprised because it's bright and colorful. It's got like little birds on it and stars. And then this one has hexies. All the joys of hexies with none of the pain of hand stitching. And then this is a complimentary one I think would go really well to florals. And then we've got two more. We have this one with these little rainbows. And then this would have to be my favorite one. This has got all different birds on there. And somewhere here is a sulfur-crested cockatoo right here, which is an Australian bird. So that makes it even more special for me. So I am so appreciative of Cotton Cuts for having this contest. All you have to do is be a member of their Facebook group. And they randomly select a person each week to win. So, I mean, you don't have to do anything special. No purchases necessary. I was just very blessed to actually win this. And what I want to do is turn this into a quilt and donate it to a worthy cause. So, I would love to have your help here with this. I'd like to know if you have any pattern suggestions. I have a total of 10 fat quarters. I'm more than happy to... and considering actually want to put like some solids or something else to complement it. So if you have any good 3-yard quilt patterns that are fat quarter friendly or something else that you think would be fun for me to do with this, let me know in the comments. And then also, do you guys do any quilts for charities? I know a lot of you do. I'd love to know in the comments if you guys do charity quilts as well. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked it, please hit the like button, tell a friend, and we'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas. Have a great day and happy sewing.